Hello and welcome. Today we are going to do 20 more MCQs on computer. I request you to please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question first is, which part of the CPU performs mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction and comparison? A. Control unit. B. ALU. C. Memory unit. D. Register. Correct answer is option B. Question second, which of the following is an example of operating system? A. MS Word. B. Google Chrome. C. Windows 11. D. Adobe Reader. Correct answer is option B. Windows 11. Question third, what is the shortcut key to undo the last action in MS Word? A. Control plus Y. B. Control plus X. C. Control plus U. D. Control plus Z. Correct answer is option D. Question 4. In networking, what does the acronym LAN stand for? A. Local access network. B. Local area network. C. Large area network. D. Logical area network. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. Which memory is known as volatile memory? A. ROM. B. Hard disk. C. RAM. D. Pen drive. Correct answer is option C. Question 6. A standard computer keyboard typically follows which layout? A. AZERTY. B. QWERTY. C. DVORAQ. D. QWERTZ. Correct answer is option B. Question 7. What is the name of the first high-level programming language? A. COBOL. B. C++. C. Fortran. D. Pascal. Correct answer is option C. Question 8. In MS Word, which alignment is used to align text to both left and right margins? A. Left. B. Center. C. Right. D. Justify. Correct answer is option D. Question 9. Which of the following is the smallest unit of the data in a computer? A. Byte. B. Bit. C. Nibble. D. KB. Correct answer is option B. Question 10. The process of starting and restarting a computer is called A. Booting. B. Loading. C. Processing. D. Formatting. Correct answer is option A. Booting. Question 11. Which protocol is used to transfer files over the internet? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. SMTP. D. TCP. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. In MS Excel, every formula must begin with such sign: A plus B at the rate C is equal to D hash. Correct answer is option C. Question 13. Which device is used to connect a computer to a telephone line for internet access? A. Switch. B. Router. C. Modem. D. Hub. Correct answer is option C. Question 14. What is the shortcut key used to insert a hyperlink in MS PowerPoint? A. Control plus H. B. Control plus L. C. Control plus K. D. Control plus N. Correct answer is option C. Question 15. Which of the following is a type of impact printer? A. Laser printer. B. Inkjet printer. C. Dot matrix printer. D. Thermal printer. Correct answer is option C. Question 16. What is the full form of PDF? A. Portable data format. B. Personal document file. C. Portable document format. D. Printable document file. Correct answer is option C. Question 17. Which generation of computer uses vacuum tubes? A. First generation. B. Second generation. C. Third generation. D. Fourth generation. Correct answer is option A. Question 18. The brain of any computer system is the A. Monitor, B. Hard disk, C. CPU, D. UPS. Correct answer is option C. CPU. Question 19. Unwanted, unsolicited bulk emails are popularly known as A. Trash, B. Spam, C. Draft, D. Inbox. Correct answer is option B. Spam. Question 30. Which key is used to refresh the active window or web page? A. F2, B. F5, C. F7, D. F11. Correct answer is option B. F5.